have been trying the cashew milk and it's very, very good. When you add it to smoothie, oatmeal, oh, it's very, very good. Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cashew milk. It's one of the nut milks that you don't have to strain it, and it's also very creamy. So I love it so much as compared to almond milk that you have to strain it because of the skin. For cashew nut milk you don't have to do that. So that's the huge benefit for that. I like drinking milk, but anytime I go to the store and I'm buying the milk, they are very sugary. A lot of sugar is added to it, even the plant-based ones. For the animal ones, because I'm lactose intolerant, I don't drink those. So I normally prefer the plant-based milk. But most of them, they have a lot of sugar in it. Even the unsweetened one, when you get it, is too liquidy. And make sure you stay up to the end of the video. I'm gonna add a simple recipe that you can make with the cashew nut milk. So stay to the end. For the cashew milk, for the ingredient, you only need 1 cup of cashew, depending on the amount you are making. You need a date. For the sweetener, you can either use a date or you can use honey. I normally prefer using the date for extra fiber. So what you're going to do is going to pour the 1 cup of cashew in a bowl, then add water to it to let it soak for about 4 hours, or you can do it for overnight. Then cover it, then you let it sit. Then for the dates, I'm going to take the seed out as well. Then I'll soak that one also in water. And for the cashew, after it's soaked, you have to rinse it very well. Add the 1 cup of cashew in a high-speed blender. And add any sweetener. I normally use dates because I need extra fiber, but you can also use maple syrup, honey, any sweetener that you want. So I add 3 pieces of date. I took the seeds out. Then you can add a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt. Then a little bit of vanilla extract for flavor. Then I'll add my water. The way I do it is that I add a little water to blend. Then I'll add the rest of the water later to make it more liquid. After it's creamy, then I'll add the rest of the water. And that's it. Just add it to a container. So I'm going to add it to this container for storage. You can keep it in your fridge. You can keep it in the fridge for about a week. See how creamy it is. Very creamy. I love it. It tastes really good. And you store it in your fridge. For the easy breakfast that I wanted to show you with the cashew milk, you just need a 1/2 cup of oatmeal, 1 whole banana or half of this, depending on how sweet you want your oat to be. And you also need your homemade cashew milk, which tastes so good and is very creamy. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to cook my oats in a microwave. You can also cook it on the stove, whichever one is convenient for you. So 1/2 cup of oats. Then I'll add a little water, not too much, depending on how liquid you want it to be. I add a little water. Then I'll cook it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. It's normally hot when you are taking it, so be careful taking it from the microwave. So we have our oats ready. So that's our oats. For my next step, I'm going to do half of the banana. You can do full if you want. It depends on how sweet you want it to be. But I normally do half of the banana. Then I'll add some of my cashew milk, my homemade cashew milk. So I'll add quite a little bit, not too much, about a cup. Then I'm going to blend it to make it smooth. Then after I have blended, look at how creamy it is. So good. Then I'll add it to my oat milk. And this will be for my breakfast. This contains a lot of potassium. It contains a lot of fiber from the oat milk. You can't go wrong when you are eating this for breakfast. And the reason why I like this breakfast so much is that there's no added sugar. The banana makes it so sweet that you don't need sugar to be added to your oats. Go give it a try. I want you to leave it in a comment below if you try it. Hashtag me on my Instagram. I'll leave my name on the screen below. And let me know in the comment how it tastes.